Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Wade Ford, Atlanta's Ford dealer. My name is Xavier. Today, we're going to be going over the brand new 2021 Bronco. So this trim right here is the Outer Banks. Perfect mid-level trim here. Just looking for something with a little bit of comfort, but plenty of off-road capability here. So first thing that we have on this vehicle is remote start. I don't know any Jeeps that do it. Boom, just like that. And along with the remote start, you got keyless entry. Keep the key in your pocket. You can lock, unlock the vehicle and access it whenever you need to. So all four doors do it, and the back door, the tailgate, has it as well. Right here, lock, unlock. Boom. And it swings all the way open just in case you need all the space you need available to get into your cargo space back here. So just do a little bit of a walk around, show you guys what we got available in this vehicle and a little bit of history. So as some of you may know, some of the older people, some of our more experienced Ford enthusiasts, the Bronco's been around since the 60s. We have not seen the Bronco since the 90s, since the whole O.J. Simpson situation. We're not gonna blame anybody for that, but just thought I'd drop that little nugget of knowledge here. So with the Outer Banks, comes standard with leather, heated seats, not cooled. That is for a different trim level. So you got the leather seats, you got a screen inside, and it's standard 4x4. So you can do all the off-roading that you want to do. Pop the hood here. Now it's not on hydraulics, it does come with a hood prop. So this year, our Broncos do not come in the V8. Unfortunately, a lot of people are asking about that. But they come standard in 2.3 liter V4, a 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. It's gonna make plenty of power that you need, plenty of gas mileage that you need as well. So it comes with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder, and it also comes available in a 2.7 liter V6, which is some of the V6s that we put in our F-150s. Same EcoBoost engine that we all know and love. It's been around for about 10 years. Another little cool tips and trick here. I know a lot of people like to go off-road and go mud and things like that. If you get into a situation where the water level is a little high, this funnel here for the air filter is actually going to follow the water out, so it never goes into the air filter or into your engine. So just, you know, a little bit of tips and tricks here on that. Now, as you see, we have the soft top version here, and it is all removable here. So we'll get over that in a minute, but right now I think we should go over the interior. All right, guys, so we're checking out the interior here. Like I said, as long as you have the key on your person, you can start the vehicle, unlock the vehicle, lock the vehicle. So we have push button start here. Put your foot on the brake, press the button. Simple as that, right? So nice, comfortable leather wrapped steering wheel here. Got all your available features and safety features like Ford's lane assist, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control. Everything that you need. It's got voice recognition. And another thing cool that we have for our 2021 model vehicles, you do not need a cord in order to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All you gotta do is sync the phone up to the vehicle, and it's gonna notice it. It's gonna send a prompt to your phone and to the screen. So that's all you need there. So another cool thing that we have on the Bronco that is standard to the Bronco and the Bronco Sport here is our drive modes here. It's called GOAT modes. GOAT mode stands for go over any type of terrain. So like I said, it comes standard with 4x4. Right now we're in 2 high. You want to press the 4 low or 4 high, just press the button, put the vehicle in neutral, keep your foot on the brake, and it's going to be good to go. So you want to turn your drive modes, just turn the knob here, and it'll pop up on the screen here as normal. Then you got Eco, Sport mode, which is my favorite. You got Slippery in case you're running on a rainy day. It also shifts into 4x4 automatically. Mud, Ruts in case you're off-roading. And then you got sand if you're on, you know, sand running, sand dunes in the desert. So you got that there. So put this back in normal mode. Wonderful start up here. Another thing for all of our Broncos, it's going to come accessorily available. So it's going to come pre-wired for accessories here. If you look on the outside, it's going to say something up here that says accessory ready. And you also have switches here for all your different accessories. And it has a little connector here. So if you want to put like a GoPro camera or anything like that on there, just film your off-roading and everything like that. So you got all of that stuff here. You got handles here in case you're off-roading, running around with the doors off, need a little bit more stability. We like to call it the OS handle. You know, just hang on to stuff. You know, you're like, oh, you know. So you got that. Another thing you may notice, all the switches for the doors and for the windows are in the middle of the vehicle. So here, so that you can take the doors off. Glove box compartment with a lock box, you know, comes with a 4-digit combination code. We're not gonna mess with it, but if you wanted to open it, just switch it, and you got all your accessible safety stuff right there. So, a lot of people are asking, well, how do you take the doors off? What kind of tools do you need? Ford was smart enough to think about that option here. Open up the glove box, specially marked Bronco packaging, and it comes with, you guessed it, tools for the doors. So you got your own ratchet here, plenty of different millimeter sockets and hexagon heads here. So we'll go over on how to take doors off in a minute, but right now I'm just gonna finish showing you guys the vehicle. So let's hop in the back seat here. That's a proximity sensor, noticing that the keys left the vehicle while it was running. So you got plenty of space here, still the same leather seats that you have back here. You can't let the seats down, you pull this tab here, boom. Obviously the seat's not gonna let it do it right now, but that's how we do it if you wanted to remove the seats. Got 2 cup holders here in the middle for the rear seats. And then you have your window switches here. So that controls the rear windows. You got the USB and the USB-C port, and you also have an outlet here. It's pretty cool, right? So let's go on to the back, the cargo area. Got a spare tire here. You're able to take that off along with our rear view camera system here. Got the brake light. Open the cargo area. And Ford has thought about everything. All types of aftermarket accessories already readily available through Ford. Over 200 available accessories. So right here, it's just a little cargo table. Just lift it up. Boom, if you want to set something down. I'm a fisherman. If I'm out fishing, I'm ready to gut my fish. I'm ready to cook it right there at my campsite. I'm just gonna lay it right here and do everything I need to easily wash it off. And you just set it right back up. Another thing we have here are bags for all of the doors. So it's marked with the Bronco label. It's coming with a QR code. It's probably gonna show you how to do it. And it shows you which door it fits in the bag. So it comes with that. And it comes with a little cargo system that you put on to hold the doors in place while you have it off. You got that. Then you have this specialty thing here, which is a compartmentalized storage table. You got 9 sections for all of your stuff that you need. A lot of people, they like to keep their cars organized and clean. So we have Ford is able to do that here for them. So, boom. All right, guys. So showing you the insides and the outsides. Now we're gonna go over on how to take off the top. So first you wanna make sure that both of the rear doors are open. And first thing you're gonna do here is disconnect the Velcro that's attached to the actual top. So you can take the Velcro off like that. And then you have 3 clips here that you're gonna disconnect. So, boom, boom, boom. Next thing you're gonna wanna do, put your fingers under here. You're gonna pop this edge open like this, right? Then this actually just slides off. Boom. When you're done with this, you store it in the back. You store it whatever you want to store it. So right now, we're just gonna put this in the back seat. Before you remove the rear, make sure you remove both sides. So, once again, Velcro, clips, and then the edge. We got those. I'm gonna open up the rear. Another cool thing about this rear window here, pull this up and you can lift it up for extra cargo space, and it comes with a little hood prop that you can put right here. So if you ever need a little bit more space, let's say you just, you know, got something a little bit bigger, you just need some space, you just pop it up just like that. So I'm gonna disconnect the Velcro here. Same 3 clips. Well, this is 4 clips actually. Then you're just gonna pop it up like that. This comes apart right here. Boom. And just like you guessed it, slides right off. Boom, just like that. We're gonna fold the sides in and fold it. I'm gonna put this in this rear cargo area right here. Boom. So now that we have all the windows off, everything's together, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna go to the front. I'm gonna show you what stage 1 looks like. So, get inside the Bronco. You got a tab here and a tab here. You're gonna pull both of these and you're just gonna simply lift up, right? So, disconnect the tabs. From the outside, you just lift up. Boom. That's stage 1. Now, in order to enter stage 2, you wanna make sure that this is pushed in all the way into the second part of the car. And you're gonna push down on this and lift up. And you're gonna push it down to the clicks on both sides. Make sure it's locked in, we're good to go, right? And that's how you pull the top back. Now, if you want to take the top off, open the rear door. Might be better if you get an overhead view of this. The panel here. Try not to break it. Anyway, it's a panel that's removed right here, and there are 3 bolts on each side. You're gonna unscrew those, which are connected to the top, and then you can take the top off when you please, as you please. We'll go over that video another day because you do require a mechanical drill, but you could do it by hand if you'd like. All right, guys, so I showed you everything about the Bronco, what it means, what it stands for, and why we brought it back. Showed you how to be able to take the top back. Another video can tell you how to take the top down and how to take the doors off. But right now, it's time to have a little bit of fun. Atlanta Forest dealer, 3860 South Cobb Drive, Smyrna, Georgia, 30080. Give me a call.